Before we start, let me ask you something. How many of your daily driving habits are quietly destroying your automatic car from the inside out? Most drivers think they're treating their car well until the repair bill hits like a punch to the chest. And the scariest part? Almost all of the damage comes from habits you don't even realize you're doing. Today, I'm going to show you 12 things you should never do in an automatic car. And if you stick with me until the very end, I'll reveal a bonus tip that even veteran mechanics admit most drivers don't know, one that can literally extend the life of your car by years and save you thousands. Let's begin. Number 1, driving with low fuel. Most people only think about the inconvenience of running out of gas, but what they don't realize is that the fuel inside your tank isn't just fuel. It's also the coolant and lubricant for your electric fuel pump. The lower your tank gets, the hotter that pump runs and the faster it burns itself out. And when a pump fails, it doesn't go quietly. It takes injectors, filters, and sometimes the entire fuel system down with it. Even worse, the debris that settles at the bottom of the tank gets sucked straight into your system when you drive on fumes. If you've ever wondered why your car feels sluggish or misfires after filling up, now you know why. Keep your tank above a quarter, always. Number 2, coasting in neutral. A lot of people think this saves fuel. In reality, it does the opposite. Your engine uses more fuel idling in neutral than it does coasting in gear. But the real danger isn't fuel, it's control. In neutral, you lose engine braking. Your transmission stops circulating fluid properly, and in an emergency, that split-second delay when you shift back into drive can be the difference between a close call and a crash. Neutral coasting is outdated, unsafe, and rough on your car. Number 3, hard launches. The floor it from a stop trick might feel powerful, but to your automatic transmission, it's like getting punched in the face over and over. Automatic gearboxes are engineered for smoothness, not drag race pressure spikes. When you slam the gas, you force the torque converter, gears, and drivetrain to absorb a violent shock. Do it often enough and your transmission fluid overheats, the gears wear prematurely, and your axles start begging for mercy. Go gentle on your launches. Your transmission will thank you. Number 4, driving off with a cold engine. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups, but they absolutely need a moment. When the engine and transmission fluid are cold, they're thick, like syrup. They don't flow properly, they don't protect properly, and every movement of the pistons, cylinders, and gears causes unnecessary wear. Give your car 30 seconds. That tiny investment pays off in years of engine life. Number 5, sitting in drive while stopped. If you're waiting for someone, scrolling your phone, or stuck in a long queue with your gear still in drive, you're stressing your transmission more than you think. The car is trying to move forward. Your brakes are the only thing stopping it. The transmission stays engaged, the fluid heats up, and your brakes wear faster. And if your foot slips just once, even for a moment, the consequences can be disastrous. Shift to park if you're stopping for more than a few seconds. Number 6, resting your hand on the gear selector. It feels harmless, but automatic shifters are connected to delicate mechanisms. The weight of your hand, yes, even that, keeps pressure on the linkage and bushings. Over time, that pressure creates slack, misalignment, and eventually shifting problems. Keep both hands on the wheel. Your car's internals will stay healthier and you'll react faster in emergencies. Number 7, changing driving modes while the car is moving. Switching from drive to reverse or vice versa while rolling is the automotive equivalent of twisting your ankle on purpose. The internal clutch packs slam into engagement, the hydraulic system panics, and the gears absorb a brutal hit they were never designed for. Even a tiny roll, just a few inches, can damage your parking pawl, gears, or clutch packs. Come to a complete stop before changing modes. No exceptions. Number 8, shifting into park while the car is still moving. This is one of the most common and most expensive mistakes drivers make. Park engages a small metal pin inside the transmission. That pin is only meant to lock a stationary car. If you activate it while the wheels are still turning, you can shear it off instantly. And once that happens, your car won't stay parked, ever. Fixing it? Not cheap. Number 9, not using your emergency brake. Even on flat ground, if you rely only on the park gear, all of the weight of your car rests on the parking pawl. Over years, that pressure weakens it. One bad bump or one slight incline is enough to snap it. Using the emergency brake shares the load, protects your transmission, and prevents your car from rolling. It's an easy habit that can prevent an expensive failure.
Number 10, putting the car in neutral in traffic. It sounds relaxing, but it's dangerous. Neutral removes your ability to react instantly. If a car slams on the brakes behind you or a driver swerves towards you, you lose precious time shifting back into drive. Plus, your brakes take unnecessary extra strain holding the car in place without engine resistance. Keep it in drive and stay ready. Number 11, letting water into the transmission. One deep puddle, one flooded street, that's all it takes to destroy a transmission. Water mixes with transmission fluid, turning it into a milky, corrosive liquid that destroys clutches, gears, bearings, everything. If your transmission ever gets contaminated, it's not a repair, it's a rebuild. The safest option? Avoid deep water and get your car inspected immediately if it's been submerged. Number 12, using 2 feet to drive. It feels like better control, but in reality, it confuses your car's systems and puts your brakes through hell. Even the slightest pressure on the brake pedal while accelerating forces the transmission and engine to fight each other. Sensors misread inputs, brake pads overheat, gear shifts become erratic, and in an emergency, your reflexes may betray you, pressing both pedals at once. 1 foot, always. And here's the bonus tip that almost no driver knows. Never overfill your fuel tank after the pump clicks off. That extra bit of fuel doesn't go to your tank, it gets pushed into the EVAP system, which is not designed to handle liquid gasoline. When that system gets damaged, your engine starts running inconsistently, and your transmission takes the hit from every sudden surge or drop in power. It's one of the most indirect but most destructive ways to wear out your transmission without ever realizing it. When the pump clicks, stop. You're saving money, protecting your EVAP system, and keeping your transmission healthy. If you learned something new today, make sure you hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this video was worth your time. And if you want your car to last longer, drive smoother, and save you more money, subscribe now because the next video will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about car maintenance.